All right, so they're gonna do a stall competition on this runway. Where are they gonna land, Christian?
They're gonna be landing uphill.
Uphill.
So they're gonna be landing down
this way.
about where those trees are in that fuel tank. I think is where they're
Alright,
gonna
and
be
then they're
touching
taking
down.
off right
They're gonna
over
be
here.
lining up at the taxi light over there and taking off going downhill. So they'll be lifting off before that.
So it's
ground
our
is away.
180 versus Brad's
170.
170.
Yep. Right now the most likely to win is the 180 is the assumption.
Yeah, because the 170 is slower, but maybe on landing.
They
the
did
170
both
will-
just eat a bunch of pizza, so that's
yeah.
gonna slow them both down.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Trying to reach it. Maybe when I fell. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. When the sunrise,
Keep in mind, they've never done this before.
sun